Hello everybody, this is Lauren.
Oh. Hi guys, I'm Jazz. We're gonna unbox these today.
I've done unboxings before, but I wanted to have my friends here with me while I unbox them because they actually picked some of the lashes out.
I'm so excited.
And
I'm gonna wear
cannot wait to see the reactions together. So yeah, you're gonna get a sneak peek of these new lashes. Box number one. Christmas!
I'm actually really excited.
Oh, I got some new boxes, guys. Oh, see, I just got them redone.
I love those. You're gonna see me totally zone out. I was like this, thinking.
I originally started with diamond boxes like this. If you've ever been to my pop-up shop, you've seen them. But I decided to get them done again and put 25mm lashes in them. A new vendor had made the box. They did so good. Look at that shine.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Last boxes, they had like an Arial font. It was really ghetto, and it said "stand out like a diamond." My mom did that. But here's the new ones. Love it.
All of those, Eva?
Yes, Serena actually wanted these.
I was gonna say,
Her best friend buys for me now.
and she's actually in love with Lobo. She saved her life, she said.
These magnets can save your life too for just $13 a pair.
Call me.
New style, you guys.
Those are so cute.
I know you're not a cat eye moment, girl.
No, I low-key been liking cat eye. I'm gonna try those on.
These are called Juliet. Look at this. Nice and thick, curly cat eye. Very full. Very full.
We love that.
This is a new one as well. I don't even want to tell y'all what I named it, because then y'all gonna know what the theme is.
Tell me.
Oh, just kidding. I'll tell you guys anyway. So I named this one Blair. If y'all could put
two and two together,
if y'all could put
baby.
two together, then you'll be ahead of the game. Just don't understand that.
Ooh, those are fire. Those are so fire. You're coming home with me.
That's cannot wait. Cannot wait till y'all get a hold of this one. Cannot wait. We're gonna mess the game up with this one. This one is called Isabel.
Those are really nice too. Dang, I don't know
Nice
if those
full
last
look.
three have just been like the ones that I picked. Did you pick other ones too?
Yeah,
I
think so.
really like these.
This is a nice full look. Yeah. Yeah. This looks like Lady.
I love Lady.
So this is what we had. She picked this out, but she picked it out and it looked exactly like a pair I already have that she loves so much. So this is to be continued. Might be Lady, it might be something else. Who knows? We'll compare it. Her name is Serena.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about.
It's one.
This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep one on this side.
I have to label it. Yeah. Yeah, this is
I have
fire.
to try it on.
Yeah. That's gonna hit the charts.
Yeah.
That's gonna hit the charts. Vanessa's new.
Okay.
Are y'all picking up what we are putting down? Are you picking up the names? If so, comment below.
Let us know
What are we up to? What are we up to?
Oh,
she's
that's so cute.
She's cute. She's a cute little moment for sure. Just another cat eye. Just another thing that's good. This is called Janae. Janae.
Those are really cute too. Actually, those are super cute. Jenny?
Nice cat eye moment. Yes.
Yeah,
nice
those are
space
so
though.
cute, actually. I actually really like these too.
Let's see. I named this Georgina. Very cute style, very full. We'll see what this looks like on later.
That's it.
Wow, that's it. I can't keep on. Let me see in there. Anyways, that wraps up this unpacking. I hope you guys are excited for this new collection I will be dropping. I have some good stuff coming up, some good photo shoots that are going to be so cute.
Stay tuned.
Stay
if you guys
tuned.
want to see them.
And make sure you get yourself some Lobo lashes. See you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.